Hey guys, it's me, HelloCris, and today I'm going to be showing you what's on my tablet 2020-2021 edition university student. Here's my lock screen. It's a very pretty and aesthetic lock screen. And here we have my home screen, which is also on the same theme as my lock screen. And here's how everything looks like. I'm going to start talking about the apps that I use. I'll start by Samsung Music, we've got YouTube, and then I've got a folder full of university apps that are very useful for me. And I have Quizlet, Google Drive, Gmail, an app called Focus to Do, the calendar, an app to write on PDFs, and my study life. I'm going to start talking about Focus to Do because it's basically an app that I use as a Pomodoro method tracker. It's basically a 25-minute timer. You can always change the timer, but it is recommended that it's 25 minutes. I think I've talked about the Pomodoro method in another video. I'll link you guys to it. And it's a great app because you can use it on your background. So if, for example, you're using your tablet to write all of your notes, or you're studying from your tablet, for example with Quizlet, you can see how much time do you have left. And it is great because you can also track all the things that you have to do. There's different clocks. For example, this one is very pretty. Then you can also change the timer. Instead of a 25-minute timer, you can just put a normal timer, which is basically you stop it whenever you feel like it. And yeah, it's very customizable. You can choose what things you have to do each day. So for example, you have to study, you can set how many Pomodoro timers you're going to dedicate to studying, or for example cleaning your room, editing videos, etc. It's a great app that I really recommend a lot. I have to say that this video is not sponsored, so everything that I'm giving my opinion on is my honest opinion, and it's things that I use on a daily basis. The next app I'm going to talk about is my study life, which I've already made a video about, so I won't get too into details, but I have it on my phone, on my computer, and on my tablet, because this year is going to be basically a digital school year, so it is great to have everything on my devices. And you can see the classes, you can see all the tasks that you have. You can also see, you can divide it into school years, so you can see, for example, here I'm showing you what my second semester is going to look like, and you can have an overview of everything you have to do, which is great. You can also choose tasks you have to do, you can set your homeworks and your exam dates, which is great, and I really recommend it. And if you want a more in-depth video talking about this, you can check it on my channel, because it's, I believe, 3 videos ago, so check it out. I also have a YouTube folder which is full of apps that I use to edit my videos, as well as my pictures for Instagram and all of my social media. And I will do a more in-depth video on how I edit my videos, because I feel like these apps that I have are very useful, and I want to share all the knowledge that I've collected over the years with you guys. But here are the main apps. We've got Below, InShot, Fonto, Visco, we've got Canva, Instagram, PixArt, and PenUp, which is basically to draw. And then I've got another app which is very useful, which is Wally, which is for choosing wallpapers for your phone or your tablet or whatever device you're using, quality images. And for example, the ones that I have on my tablet right now are from this app. I downloaded them pretty recently. It's very easy to use. You only have to click the image that you want to download, and then you can choose to set it directly as a wallpaper, or you can download it to save it for later, which is great. So I also have a separate tab for my music, and then I also have a section all full of games. If, for example, I travel and there's no internet connection, I will use my tablet to play games if I'm bored. Okay, my favorite games out of this page would be Springfield, Polytopia, The Trail, and Rainy Day, because they are very, very relaxing. And then there's one tab mainly to see my calendar, because I sometimes forget to bring my agenda to class, and I write down all of my tasks to do for the day on my tablet, so I can see them on my calendar. I know there's not much to it, but I mainly use my tablet to edit videos and watch YouTube now that I don't need it for class. yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you're curious about anything inside my tablet, or you want to know more about, for example, what's on my computer. And yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.